Hello. Today we're designing in various styles of design. Here's our classic American. That's a Japanese-based parallel design. Here is our spring wedding design. Here is our cascade bouquet. Here is a classic American centerpiece. There is our ball gazing star design for classic winter. Here's a classic vase of mixed flowers for the holidays. Here's more spring. This is a German style of design called Biedermeier. Here's our all rose bouquet. Here's a pretty one. Zone and clustering. These are all done by students in a class. They've all been here a week, and this is what they've already learned how to do. Classic designing, both American and European, at American School of Flower Design. We have online classes. We also have in-studio classes. We also have Michael's Flower Garden, which allows you to buy bulk flowers shipped, FedExed overnight to your home. Stargazing, that's what I meant to call it. Stargazing. So go to Flower School 101. Check it out. Come to class. I'll be your teacher, or join us online. Our students have been doing amazing work with our online classes. So flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming. I'll see you in my next city.